Watch how I turn an old gin bottle into this unique beach-themed battery-operated lamp. The blue color of the bottle reminded me of sea glass, so it gave me the inspiration for this project. I used the new olive crest mold by Iron Orchid Designs, which I thought had the appearance of seaweed, and then also the seashells mold. The end result created that distressed, shipwrecked effect, as if it had been lying under the sea. Links to all of the products that I used and a detailed step-by-step tutorial for this project is found in my blog, and you'll see the link to that in my profile. All of the paints and finishes used for this are by DIY Paint. I also used some of the making powders, which really helped bring some vibrant color and sparkle to it as well. My favorite part of this is the inside display. I made my own little message in a bottle to pop inside with my own handwritten note in it. I also gathered some sand and seashells to create a little beach scene inside, and the battery-operated lights really make it come to life. This would make such a unique gift to give someone, or even one for yourself as a memory of a special day that you had at the beach this summer. As always, keep following for more DIY tutorials and creative tips.